Welcome. In this video I'll show how you can update Android version in Redmi. So in the beginning you will need to find and launch your device's settings app. From here, enter the About Phone category. Typically that will be the very first category that you'll find inside the settings app. Now at the very top, tap at your current Xiaomi Hyper OS or Xiaomi MIUI version, like that. Now it will automatically check for updates, but if you want to be extra sure, you can always manually press this check for updates button and see if there is, well, some software or system update that is pending. And in my case, the device that I have in front of me is absolutely up to date, so I have, well, no new Android version to install or to update. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.